Alright, this is the rear wire harness for 68 Camaro, and then doing a comparison between the original wire harness and the new one. And these are the restoration kits that come, and so right now I'll take comparison between the original and the new one. So this is the wire harnesses. So the one on the right is the new one, and the one on the left is my original. So here is the start. This is the plugs. So this plugs in to the dash wire harness, which I've already reviewed, and there is a plug on that wire harness that these go into, which is under the dash. And then the next wires these here is the door switch on the driver's side that shows turns on the dome light and the lights at the kick panel. So there's wires here, and here's the new wires here. And then this plug here is for the floor lights. And then here's the plug for the floor lights, the new one. Just FYI, so if it has a plug, so this one here has a plug, it means you have to buy this as a separate kit. So these lights and the wire plug into here. So that's a separate kit that you need to purchase, just FYI. So when you're looking to replace all your wiring, you need to make sure you remember that you need to buy your floor light kit separately. And then this next one here is the other door switch on the passenger side. And then here it is right here. And then the next one way down as we go through the cabin. Here's the dome light here. So there's the original. And then here's the new one. And then you go further down. Here's the side light, and then you even have the clips. Everything has all the clips on them here. So there's the new clip. Here's the original clip. Then here is the brake and tail lights on the old one, and brake and tail lights on the new one. And then we got a clip here, and then my original one, I don't see a clip on the original one. So we got tail lights, down a little further, a clip, tail lights, down a little further, and no clip. So that's maybe good or bad, I'm not sure. And then further we have ground. So here's the original, here's the new. Then here's another plug. And this plug is for the license plate light and the trunk light, and also for the gas tank. So again, it's a plug, so you have to buy separate kits. So I have mine here attached, just FYI. So this one here is the wire for the trunk, and then here's the plug for the wire for the license plate light, and then here's for the gas tank. And further down, here's a clip, and then was a clip here, you can tell, broken off. So that's probably what happened to the one over here. The fabric is still there, but the clip is gone. And then further down, so again, tail lights, brake and tail light, and then here, brake and tail light. You can tell these old ones are spliced. And then at the very end is the side indicator light, and then side indicator light with a clip on there, and then might have been a clip here on the old one. So they do a pretty good job at matching exactly, and so I'm very happy. All right, that's it.